Hi and welcome you all to Prakriti Kitchen. Hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is pepper chicken masala. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First, we need to make a masala powder. Here we have taken a pan and adding 2 tablespoons of coriander seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 4 red chilies, peppercorn 3 tablespoons. Along with this, we are adding 5 to 6 cloves, small piece of cinnamon and star anise. And now dry roast the ingredients for 3 minutes until we get a nice aroma. It's all done. Turn off the flame and allow it to cool for some time. Take a mixie jar. Grind the spices into fine powder. Now take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil into it. Add 6 to 7 cloves, small piece of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cardamom. Add 2 finely chopped onion and tomato. Saute it for some time. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for few more minutes so it will get properly cooked. Season it with the salt according to your taste and mix it well. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now it is time to add a chicken into it. Here we have taken half kg of chicken. Now saute it well so that chicken get properly mixed with all other ingredients. Add 2 cups of water. Here we have taken water in the mixing jar in which we have prepared masala so that you are seeing the changes in the water color. Now cover and cook it for 15 minutes. You can see that chicken is almost cooked. Now it's time to add the masala which we have prepared at the beginning. Add the masala and mix it well with the chicken and season it with some salt according to your taste. Add 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves and finally mix it well and cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Now the pepper chicken is ready to taste. It can be served with plain rice, chapati and naan. Hope you all liked and enjoyed our video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.